What's up, good people? Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good midnight, good whatever, wherever you are on earth listening to me. It's your boy this evening again, David, live from IFX studio. Please, people, I'm so sorry since all this while that I did not do any video. And what really happened was that my recording software is having some problem. But that's just what it is. I just fix it, today. And this is UK crude oil CFD. You understand? I think this is options or something like that. Sorry, you know. So this is UK, UK crude oil CFD. This is a daily chart. This is something that I forecasted now for months, you understand, but the market is responding exactly as I forecasted, you understand. So, and I really thank God that the market is really, following up what I said. So on the 11th, let me see, today is on the 13th. I remember on the 11th I drew this and I said, should the market hit that side, it's still going up. Everything that I indicate is acting exactly as I said it. Should you watch it, it's acting exactly, you understand. Since on the 29th of October, I analyzed this market and get it, and I drew the trend line, I drew everything, and I said this is exactly what the reaction of the market will be, and it's following the specific reaction. So people, please, before we further, please, I'll really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click on the notification button on all of my social media, especially YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. I'll really appreciate it. Please just like, share, subscribe, click on the notification button, and you get more updates in my daily analysis for my both Forex, stock, bond, indexes, cryptocurrency, commodities, and all that. So people, let's get down to business, just like we usually do. So this is UK crude oil CFD. When you look at this market, when you look at how I analyze it, you can see that the market is following exactly the trend line that I drew. The trend line, the market is following the exact trend line. It didn't back down, it didn't shut down. It was just following the trend line just as forecasted, which is a very, very, very good thing. You understand? So there are many things that happen within this place. Let me just come here. Within on the 8th of June till on the 30th of October, on the 8th of June till on the 30th of October, that's like within like 3 months space. There are many things that happen in this market that indicate, that really speaks for everything that this market reaction is doing here. You understand? I said it that this market is going up. I said it that it will gallop around this place, which it does, you understand, and it's still going up, you understand. So last week it was taking some kind of reaction, and I said, should it hit anywhere here? But it's still going up, you understand. I said 11th December, I said it's still a bullish market. Should it go bearish at this point, it will still reverse and go bullish again, but now it's still going bullish. I'll say it's going bullish till January 2021. You understand? I said this market is going bullish till January 2021. So if you feel like trading in this market, you're welcome. It's one of those things that we do. It's one of those things that I put together and I do. So let's just do some little analysis, you understand, and see what really makes us to feel like this market is an uptrend, is going to this, it's going to that, and all that, you understand. So let's just look at it, just let us look at it from the way back. In this place spoke a lot of languages, you understand. You just don't draw trend line in the market. It's just one of the major and basic analysis that you could use in judging the market. You have to look at the candlestick calculation, which I'm saying, there are many things that happen in this avenue that my mouse is circling. There are many things that happen in many avenues especially this place, there are many things that happen. There are many languages that the market spoke, from this place to this place. There are many languages that the market spoke that many people might not really understand. You get it? But the market is speaking a specific language. Let me just do some little magic and let's see how the market's been working. You get it? Let's start from here. Let's click this one. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let's clone this. Clone. Okay, now let's bring this here. Let's clone this very one too. Sorry people, sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm cloning two. I'm gonna clone about 5, 6, or 7, or 8. 3, 4, 5. What's going on? It ain't cloning. Okay. Okay, now let's just do some little magic. Let's just get down to some business. Okay, let's get it like this from here to here to here. Okay, so this one goes from here to this point. To this point, and it goes from this point to this point. You understand? Just let us take a look at the market like this, then you understand what I'm trying to say better. You get it? I believe that you will understand what I'm trying to say. I believe you guys will understand what I'm trying to say here. So let's just do it like this. But let's do it like this. And let's do this like this. It hits this very point, then it goes up. This is the basic analysis I could do for this. So people, please let me know what you see in this market. But to me, this is what I see that happens in the market. This is a new analysis that I just made. So people, please, I really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click on the notification button on all of my social media pages, YouTube, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. I really appreciate. So people, trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God bless us all. Have a good one and see you in my next video. Thanks.